Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. I am Sanya and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro fast. So today we are going to discuss about TPM, Trusted Platform Module, that what is TPM and what does it do. PC makers often list a Trusted Platform Module as a security feature for laptops and desktops, and TPM 2.0 will be a system requirement for Windows 11, but you may not know what it is or why it is useful. TPM is a computer chip that can securely store artifacts used to authenticate the platform. These artifacts can include passwords, certificates, or encryption keys. A TPM can also be used to store platform measurements that help ensure that the platform remains trustworthy. Authentication and attestation are necessary steps to ensure safer computing in all environments. Trusted modules can be used in computing devices other than PCs, such as mobile phones or network equipments. The nature of hardware-based cryptography ensures that the information stored in hardware is better protected from external software attacks. A variety of applications storing secrets on a TPM can be developed. These applications make it much harder to access information on computing device without proper authorization. If the configuration of the platform has changed as a result of unauthorized activities, access to data and secrets can be denied and sealed off using these applications. However, it is important to understand that TPM cannot control the software that is running on a PC. TPM can store pre-runtime configuration parameters, but it is other applications that determine and implement policies associated with this information. Now, what does a TPM do? Some, but not all, of the data we transmit throughout the day is sent unencrypted as plain text. TPM chips use a mix of software and hardware to protect any important passwords or encryption keys when they are sent in this unencrypted form. If a TPM chip senses that a system's integrity has been compromised by a virus or malware, it can start up in a quarantine mode to help fix the problem. Some Google Chromebooks include TPMs, and during startup, the chip scans the BIOS, a motherboard firmware that initiates the startup process for unauthorized changes. TPM chips also provide safe storage of encryption keys, certificates, and passwords used for logging into online services, which is a more secure method than storing them inside software on the hard drive. TPM chips in network-connected set-top boxes enable digital rights management, so media companies can distribute content without worrying about theft. Now, the question arises, who is TPM for? While originally targeted at enterprises or large companies looking to secure their data, TPM chips are now becoming a requirement for all laptops and desktops to ensure security for all users. Microsoft announced that Windows 11 will make TPM 2.0 a requirement. This should not present an issue for most users, as it has been present on laptops and CPUs since around 2016. But some will need to either update their hardware or upgrade to a new laptop if they want to make the switch to Windows 11. Now, how do you use a TPM? If you buy a PC with a TPM chip, you can enable its encryption to protect your data by accessing the BIOS. IT departments often manage TPM chips in enterprise devices. Major notebook makers, including Dell, HP, and Lenovo, often include software applications that will help users access TPM features. Now, what can you do with a TPM? The most basic use for a TPM is to set a login password for your system. The chip will automatically guard that data rather than keep it stored on your hard drive. If a system has a TPM chip, its user can generate and manage cryptographic keys used to lock the system or specific files. Many people use a TPM to enable Windows BitLocker drive encryption utility. When you power up a system that features a TPM and BitLocker, the chips run a series of conditional tests to see if it is safe to boot up. if a TPM sends the hard disk was moved to another location, as might be the case if it were stolen, it locks the system. Notebooks with built-in fingerprint readers often keep the recorded fingerprints in the TPM, as its security makes it a responsible location for storage. The chip also enables smart card readers, which certain companies require for users' authentication and login. Now, you can also check if TPM is present on your Windows or not. On Windows 10, there are many ways to determine if the system has a trusted platform module, including using Settings and Device Manager. Now confirm TPM with Settings. To check whether your device has a TPM chips and is enabled, you need to open Settings first. Now from here, you need to click on System and scroll down from here and click on About. Now from here, under the related settings, go to BitLocker settings. Here I want to give you a quick tip. On Windows 10 Home, the above option will open the Microsoft Store because BitLocker is available on the Pro versions of Windows. If this is the case, use the Windows key plus R keyboard shortcut, type the tpm.msc command and click the OK button. But I'm using the Pro version, so I'm okay to go with it. Now here you need to click on TPM Administration. Now under the status, here you can see the TPM is ready for use. To confirm the device has a trusted platform module and it is enabled. Now close it. Now I'm going to show you that how to confirm that TPM is present in your system using Device Manager. To check if a TPM chip is present and enabled with Device Manager, go here and search for Device Manager. Click on it. Now from here, expand the security devices, and here you need to confirm the trusted platform module is available or not. As you can see, trusted platform module 2.0 is available. Now close it. So using these two methods, you can see either TPM is available on your system and enabled or not. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any help, reach out to us in the comments below. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.